Daniel!
Hi, ma'am.
Still working at this hour?
Yeah. It's gonna be a big day for us tomorrow. Launch po kasi kami ng bagong condo units. So, what brings you here?
I just had dinner with some friends on my way home.
I see.
Why do I get this feeling na kailangan mo ng kausap?
I could use a friend.
Coffee?
Yes, please.
So, nagkita na ba kayo ni Margaret?
Hindi pa ako.
You're in love with her, aren't you?
Ma'am.
Oh, come on, Daniel. Don't deny it and you can't fool me. I know the look of a man in love.
Paano ba to? Iba po kasi yung sitwasyon namin ni Margaret. We started off as friends. Naging sobrang close ako sa anak niya. Sa pamilya niya. But then, for some reason, nagdesisyon kami pareho na huwag na naming i-pursue kung anumang special feelings meron kami sa isa't isa.
It's so sad. You know, nung nakita ko kayong dalawa sa clinic, naisip ko, bagay na bagay kayong dalawa. You really looked so good together. So, if I may ask, bakit hindi kayo nagkatuluyan?
Masyado pang komplikado yung sitwasyon.
And? You couldn't do anything about it?
We decided not to. Sabi namin, baka kailangan ayusin na muna namin yung buhay ng isa't isa. Kinakailangan maghiwalay muna tayo. But then, na-realize ko, parang mali yung desisyon na ginawa ko. Bakit? Kasi, nung nagkahiwalay kami, hindi ako mapalagay. And the moment I went looking for her, wala na siya.
You know, there was a point in my life when I thought, okay na ako. Until William came along and made me realize na may kulang pa pala. And that was his love. Siguro, yun din ang kailangan ni Margaret. Someone to make her realize na may kulang pa sa buhay niya. That there's an empty space in her heart that only love can fill. So don't give up. Ipagpatuloy mo ang paghahanap mo sa kanya.